In this video, we'll demonstrate how to activate your microphone in OBS Studio on Media Magnet Guide. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about turning on your microphone in OBS Studio, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Navigate to the settings. Once there, go to the Audio tab. Here, you'll find various options for your audio settings. If you're using an external microphone, make sure it's properly connected to your computer. OBS Studio allows you to select your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu. Choose your device from the list. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Ensure that the microphone is not muted and the audio levels are appropriate. Now let's check the advanced audio properties. This section allows you to customize audio settings for different sources in your scenes. Ensure that your microphone source is active and the audio monitoring is set up as per your requirements. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Let viewers know they can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy recording with your activated microphone on OBS Studio at Media Magnet Guide.